2021 we have a Kivivuorenkuja 4 stämmöisellä here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa here in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa-Martinlaakso, Finland, and this is the staircase F. We have only 2 more staircases to go in this residential building. All the other ones are filmed. It was built in 1969, between 1968-69. ValmetSchlieren and the Earned 69, with 7 floors. The capacity is 3 persons and 2 grams. The serial number is 1831. And let's take a ride in it. It's different. 1970 here. That's the serial number is 2227. It is Earned 70 also.
Yeah.
That's interesting. It turned 50 years old in the last year, 2020. But this is wrong, it should be straight of a PK here. It'll be inspected this year, 2021. It has to be pushed properly. But also, of course, the first 5 staircases could have been built any time during 1969, as they started constructing in late 1968.
Yeah.
And then these 2 last ones were finished in 1970.
Yeah. Expected by Kiva inspected maybe it was in.
Because the door bunker was 1968, so that's when they started constructing.
Yeah.
Probably in December 1968.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the 2 last staircases in this building now.
That's